So this is my pre-K website, and just on the home page, I just have a little description welcoming everyone to the site. And then my biography, I have a picture, and then just about me, why I decided to join the program, my hobbies. On my favorites page, I have some of my favorite resources that I took from when we did the wiki. And then the resources, I have the resources that I came up with, as well as some resources that I took from other people that I thought were good ideas. And then on my technology projects, I have my two slideshows. One is the thematic slideshow of LSU, which we went around taking pictures of the different buildings and stuff. And then I have another one learning about animals, and I just put like two little descriptions of what they are. And then on my digital story, I have the history of Mike the Tiger and just a little description of what it is. And then the mobile app, I had the Remind app, and so this just has like why it's useful, things about the app, and then another little description. My PLN and PLE, I created two little charts and then put the definitions of what it is, and then also linked the places that I got them from. And then here I have my building my professional learning network, and I have the descriptions of the blogs, curations, microblogs, and then I have my examples, and then I have my blog reflection that has just my reflection on that, and then my Digo reflection, and then also my Twitter reflection. And then I have my webpage evaluation that I just did on pre-K pages and just why it's useful and why I recommend it to use in the classroom. And then my evaluations, I have my Apple Teacher certification, and I completed all 6 of these, and then have my certificate at the bottom. And then my screencast, this is where my screencast will go once I have uploaded it. And then I have my tech blog, and that's just the 3 blogs that I posted about me, and some website pages that I linked that I think would be very helpful in the classroom. And yeah, that is it.